This video is on how to create a double bar graph in Google Sheets. So remember, a double bar graph is created when you want to look at a category of data but break it down further into another category, like in this case by grade level. Sometimes it's age, sometimes it's gender, sometimes it's places that you live. So however you would like to classify or break down your data more, that's what you're looking at. So all you need to do is highlight all of the data that you want included in your graph. So this is looking at the weight of newspapers that grade 5 students versus grade 4 students recycled for these months of the school year. So we highlight that. We're going to go to Insert, Chart, and Google Sheets is going to pick the graph that it thinks best matches your data. In this case, it picked the double bar graph, which is perfect. It's exactly what we want. But again, we need to do a little bit of editing. So it has our key, blue is grade 4, red is grade 5. I like the title it shows here, month, perfect. What I don't like is that it's missing a label for your vertical axis. You need to have a label for your horizontal and your vertical axis. Now this one doesn't have a box, so I can't just double click it. So what I actually need to do is go over to this right-hand side. And I'm going to go to where it says Customize. And I'm going to choose Chart and Axis Titles. And right now, horizontal axis is coming up, and it says month, which is what is right there. I need to select the vertical axis, and there is a box for me to add a title. Notice there isn't one right now, which is why there isn't one on the graph. And I'm going to call this Number of Students. And then once I do that, you'll see it automatically comes up. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the title. I can change the title right here under Chart Title, or because there is one, I can just double click that. So I'm going to choose amount of recycled paper in grade 4 versus grade 5. And actually, I just realized I need to change the title. It's not number of students. This is actually kilograms of paper that I measured. And there is my finished double bar graph. I can then copy and paste that into my infographic or whatever else that I want to be using it for.